AI mistakes fix? In the world of artificial intelligence, errors are a part of the learning process. Just as humans make mistakes, AI systems can misinterpret data or provide incorrect outputs. Recognizing and addressing these errors is crucial for improving overall performance and ensuring reliability in various applications. The first step in fixing AI mistakes is to identify the source of the error. This involves analyzing the input data and the algorithms used to process it. Was the data biased or incomplete? Did the algorithm misinterpret key elements? Understanding the root cause of the mistake allows developers to implement targeted fixes and modifications. By closely examining the training data, one can uncover patterns that led to the mistake, enabling the formulation of strategies to prevent similar issues in the future. Once the source is identified, the next step is to enhance the training data and refine the algorithms. This may include diversifying the dataset to include a broader range of examples, or adjusting the training parameters to ensure the model better understands the context. Continuous learning is essential. Incorporating feedback mechanisms allows the AI to adapt and improve over time, thus minimizing the risk of recurring errors. Moreover, rigorous testing is vital before deploying any AI system. Running simulations that replicate real-world scenarios enables developers to observe how the AI responds to various inputs. By implementing a feedback loop, you can gather performance metrics and user experiences, facilitating further adjustments. Such testing not only detects potential mistakes, but also bolsters the AI's capacity to handle unforeseen situations, ensuring greater robustness and reliability. Lastly, transparency and collaboration play significant roles in fixing AI mistakes. Engaging with diverse teams can provide different perspectives on errors, leading to innovative solutions. Open communication about limitations and corrective actions builds trust with users and stakeholders. Documenting mistakes and their resolutions also contributes to a knowledge base that benefits future AI projects, cultivating a culture of continuous improvement. In conclusion, fixing AI mistakes requires a systematic approach that involves identifying errors, refining data, enhancing algorithms, rigorous testing, and fostering collaboration. Embracing this comprehensive strategy aids in developing more accurate and dependable AI systems, ultimately leading to better user experiences and more effective technological solutions.